In this video, I will show you how you can update the software of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G to the latest version. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Software Update. Now from here, just tap on Check for New Update. Now as you can see, we have a software update available. Now to proceed, just tap on Proceed, then tap on OK. And once you do that, you will start the software update process. Now if you swipe down from the top left of the screen and if you open the notifications panel, as you can see, we are downloading the software update. Once the downloading and verifying process is completed, then go to your home screen and under the software update section in your settings, just tap on Install Now. Now, once your tab finishes the reboot process, you will complete the software update. Now, since we had a major software update, so it is showing us this screen. Just tap on Start to complete. But if you have a security update, it will not show this screen. And this is how you can update the software of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.